Temperatures locally have been feeling more like fall, but if we're taking a trip down south, we're starting to see Hurricane Delta. Now, this storm has been rapidly intensifying over the last few days, and it is now a Category 4 hurricane. So this is going to be moving closer into the Gulf of Mexico, and as it does so, we could start to see it gain a little bit of strength. Currently, though, in northeast Mississippi, we are remaining dry, even though there is a little bit of rain coming from the south. Now, this rain could be moving into our area by the end of the week, however, because of that hurricane. So taking a look at the path of Hurricane Delta, it is now a Category 4, as I said, with sustained winds moving 140 miles per hour. As it passes Cuba and goes over the Yucatan Peninsula, it's going to start to slow down, but once it enters the Gulf, most storms gain some strength and speed because of the warm water. As that happens, we are going to see it come back up to a Category 4, but by landfall, we are expecting for this storm to be back down to a strong Category 2 or even a Category 3. Now, for our area, what that means is we are going to be seeing above average rainfall. And I know most of us don't like to see that rain coming around by the weekends, but for our farmers, this is great news because we have been in a little bit of a drought. So this is going to be some nice things to see, even though for game day, we're not always a fan. Temperatures right now are in the upper 70s and lower 80s, so it has been more of a fall-like day, but we are going to be starting to heat back up. Temperatures tonight are going to be in the lower 50s, so if you have plans outside, you might want to grab a light jacket, but it's going to be a clear night sky and we aren't going to be seeing much of a breeze. Temperatures tomorrow are going to be getting into the lower to mid 80s, so one of our warmest days we've seen just yet this week, and quite nice with the sun and the blue skies sticking around until that rain comes around this weekend. So for the next couple of days, I would go ahead and soak up the sun and temperatures in the mid to lower 80s, but by Friday, that is when our rain comes into the forecast and sticks around till Saturday as Hurricane Delta moves closer and closer to the Gulf Coast. So that is going to be bringing some heavy precipitation into our area, and then by Sunday, we are going to be seeing that sun peeping back out and showers are going to become more isolated. By the beginning of next week, temperatures will be in the lower 80s to the upper 70s, and overnight temperatures are going to be ranging anywhere from the upper 50s to the mid 60s.